Exercise creates well-being and helps control weight and gives strength. Before you start exercising, you need to know a few important things. How to perform exercises properly. A straight leg is stretched, the heel is guided first, then the knee is fully straightened. Exercises for the arms. When performing a circle and also lifting above the head, elbows are bent, then improves the mobility of the shoulder joints. Diaphragmatic breathing. When the palms are on the clavicle, inhale for 2 seconds, abdomen like a ball. Exhale, the palms moving down, stretching the muscles under the palms. It's 4 seconds. The abdomen flat. Pause. Diaphragmatic breathing, the second option. The palms placed at the waist or on the abdomen. Inhale through the nose for 2 seconds, abdomen like a ball. The palms create resistance, gently pressed on the abdomen. Exhale through the half-closed mouth, 4 seconds. Abdomen flat. Pause. What does diaphragmatic breathing do? Helps relieve cough, trains abdominal muscles, improves blood circulation in the small pelvis, works against constipation and hemorrhoids, improves venous blood circulation in the legs, reduces stress. Stretching exercise for the whole body, it's very important. Lying on your back, the knees bent, the right knee rests on the left leg. Apply light pressure from the left palm to the right knee. The right arm is extended straight up, with the upper body rotating minimally in the direction of the raised arm, and look to it. Now for the other side of the body. The right knee is bent, the left knee is bent too and rests on the right leg. Apply light pressure from the right palm to the left knee. The left arm is extended straight up, with the upper body rotating minimally in the direction of the raised arm. Look to it. In this way, we can relax the whole body. The other parts will also have explanations. The exercises I offer will be simple and easy to perform. Good luck, and so let's exercise, let's improve our health.